Indonesians love using English words that don't exist in English. Let's start with baper, an abbreviation for bawa perasaan. English equivalent, emotionally unstable over things no one else noticed. Yeah, we don't have the time to say all of that, do we? Then there is galau. It's not just sad, it's sad, confused, romanticizing the pain, and playing music at 2 a.m. English doesn't stand a chance. Mager, another abbreviation for malas gerak. Malas gerak. It's not just lazy, it's I want to move, but the floor is lava energy. Fully awake, doing nothing. And finally, ngegas. No, not driving. It means calm down, bro. Why are you so hostile? So yeah, we borrow English, but we also remix it because Bahasa is not just a language, it's a whole feeling.